Hello? 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 I don't have any water. I probably should have got myself water. Hello, boys. Good morning. Hold on. Let me join the Zoom class. I look like shit. I feel like shit. Let's do this thing.
Check that, but I think that's what we decided. You can log in anytime between 8 and 12. And then you'll have, let me double check everything here. Yeah, 8 to 12. And then you will have, look at the exam. I think it'll be roughly 75 multiple choice questions, and you'll have about 90 minutes to complete it. Okay. Which should be more than enough time.
All right, hello, boys. Good morning.
Exam, so.
Is that going to be like our other
I
tests
went to sleep at 6 in the fucking morning, dog. And I woke up. I have like 4 hours of sleep in me, and I'm presenting, dog.
Yeah, you will go into the unit.
Do it. Let's go.
I'm a link to it, or you
not
can
looking
go
forward to it right now, to be honest. I'm here for the train wreck. Oh, welcome, Techno. Colton, Professor Evo, yes, sir. I'm gonna get a chapstick right now. My lips feel like shit.
It'll be available.
I'm tired. I feel like shit. My nose is running foul because I didn't get enough sleep. My hair looks like shit because I didn't take a shower yesterday.
Okay.
Today's my shower
Any
day.
questions on that before we get started? Okay, let me.
I didn't turn the project in yet. Oh fuck! Why did I turn the project in? When does it due? Midnight. Okay, I'll turn it tonight.
Okay. You can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
I'm not turning my camera on.
I decided to work on was an automated email response, and the idea came from my friends. Couldn't really figure out how, because I know in Outlook you can already do kind of like set up an automated email response anyway, but he couldn't really cared enough to figure it out. So he just decided to
okay, who cares?
Ask me a little bit like, oh, can you make a little auto response email program? So it was kind of a little bit interesting working by myself. So I decided to also create the.
Did you change your name, Waters? Wait, did Waters change his name? Is that why I don't recognize somebody? But yes. We're just gonna try to listen over him. But pretty much what I added from last time is when you say waifu, it posts a picture of a waifu. And it randomly selects from a folder. I'm not gonna show this one. I'm not showing this one at all because there's, you know, there's a chance of this happening. You know, like I'm just not gonna show them what that code exactly does, but I'm gonna show them this one because it's the same exact thing.
I couldn't find anything to around it. I have to actually count up all of the emails in the person's.
I also made some music thing, but it doesn't really work all that well, and it's very easily broken and does not work with this file.
Like 1608, like 1608.
How much lines of code is this? 168. Let me make sure.
Try to find the next email, and then when it does, it will send an auto response.
Oh, why is this crashing? Hold on, hold on. It's my program is like frozen.
Just some words to go ahead and do the auto response, and I did that. So I go to documents over here and do email response and open it. I did somehow get this to print out. That's the only one thing I did to get the print out. Okay, so now it's good to go, and I can go ahead and now start the auto response, and it should say in the CMD.
Okay, let's close this. Hold on, let's close PyCharm. Sorry, everything's crashing right now. Everything's like crashing. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'll rechat.
I go ahead and I create an email to myself. It should do an auto response. Go ahead, I sent the message to my team.
My CPU is at like fucking full right now. What the fuck? Well, that's awesome. Tech to the wifey one. I don't care. What do you mean you don't care? Mommy-chan, best girl. What compute cop? I'm assuming you're saying computer. A pretty decent one, but it's very outdated now. Okay.
Unfortunately, I don't know why it didn't write it this time, but of course it was working last time and decided not to work right now.
I guess it's a cool program, but I really don't care for it.
You open up that, and then if you just want to quit the program, you can just go ahead.
How much time did it take to grow this hair? I've been growing my hair for about 3 years now.
Okay.
3 or 2 years.
So what was this? What was the template for this? How was this? What was this based on?
This program was just kind of based around the idea of making it a little bit easier, just to make like a very simple program that allows.
Oh, let's actually start up PyCharm.
Through Outlook. I didn't really get it. I didn't get the inspiration from like a website per se. It's like I said in the beginning. I got more of the inspiration from.
Why is it a Git thing? It shouldn't be a Git.
Easier for, for an
Oh,
Outlook.
run main.
Okay.
Oh,
so
bot
this-
pies in here. That's probably why.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Cool. I don't know when I'm going, but I'm not ready. He bought it. Your Garbo can't hit his shots on CSA. You gotta stop being a dick there.
Okay. Who's next?
I'll go next.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go after this person. Should I turn my Zoom camera on when I talk? Okay. Let's just hear what he has for his project, and we'll go from there. Oh, bro, everyone's using email.
So I just made a simple address book. So the point of this is you can add people, you can search somebody, or you can just quit the application. So I learned a lot of simple skills with this. Most
I
of
guess
which
it's actually. I
were
guess
already learned
it's
in the
actually a
previous
pretty
semester. I mean,
decent
this semester.
program.
The
But whatever.
I really learned was really implemented was like the stringline format. And
Bro, when I present this, I'm going in there guns flaring, bro.
obviously like if else statements and stuff. And so I didn't have that much difficulty with this besides the input and the print functions. I had errors due to like simple mistakes.
Mike, wanna help me on my stats? Fine, I do not. I really do not.
A lot of these programs, especially
I turned in my essay. Hey, that's good. Only 2 days late, but good job.
control flow statements, like like breaks and returns.
What music am I listening to? My Zoom class. But if you're asking for real, this is gonna be a nightmare because I feel like my program's lagging like crazy.
So if you click one, that's to search somebody.
Dude, I know it's actually so pog. It's such a great fucking playlist that's non-copyrighted. It's a very lo-fi Christmas, bro. This is like, these are bangers after bangers. Harris Heller did some fucking madness, and this is fucking amazing. Imagine if I was unmuted as I'm just swearing my mind off about music.
Said quitting. Have a great day.
Okay, so you say it's adding to the address book, but what is it adding?
It's supposed to be adding my name.
Okay, and does it do that?
It said no entry found, and then after I clicked 2, it said adding to address book.
Okay, but if you go back and then do a search again, is it added to it? Because to me it doesn't look like it's actually adding anything to the address book.
Oh, he got caught. Oh shit.
Do it in the opposite order first. Add it and then search it.
Yeah.
So,
He got called out. He got called the fuck out. You probably didn't hear it at all. But the teacher just went, your program ain't doing shit. Oh no. Because he made an address book, but he searched the address book, then he added to the address book, then he quit the address book, but nothing was actually added to the fucking address book.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
So he's doing it in the wrong order, and he just got called the fuck out for it.
I would say work on that.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, he lost all
I got
confidence.
inspiration from there's
He
an article
lost
I read.
all confidence.
It looked pretty cool just to do, and I mean, so it took me about 3 days to finish. The one problem I had, I went to my
3
engineering friend,
days?
Caterpillar. He lives down the street, and he helped me out, and everything worked smoothly. Besides me adding my name into the address book.
Besides actually adding the name into an address
Alright,
book.
Thank you.
Okay, boys.
Alright, I guess I'll go next.
I'll go next. I'm just really like it gets there. I'm like about to say something. I'm like, and my heart goes. I'm like, what the?
Alright, so essentially what my code does is when a file is placed into a designated area, the file will be
I'll go next. I'll go
moved
next.
to
I'm not
a
lying this
different
time.
folder depending
I'm not
on the
lying, bro.
3 most
I'll
common
go
words
next.
in the folder, with some exclusions of like words that really aren't going to tell you anything, like a, the, all those. So let me show you. All right, so input the path. So one of the few like flaws of this
Oh
is
wait,
that how it
I gotta
works
make
is it
sure.
basically takes a picture of the target folder. So these will not be moved until I add another file. So if I go, for example, and just grab one from in here and move it up in
Okay.
here.
See, the thing is, when I'm presenting this project,
All
I
right,
ain't
so
getting rid of the waifu folder.
It goes and it tells you
So
the file name.
it's just gonna
and
be
it
there.
moved it back to the IT folder
But
because
if
of the key.
it's just gonna be there, and they're gonna see the shit in my code
Because that
and
one is
everything
called
about
activity
this
content.
waifu
These are the
and
most common
owo
words for
and
those.
shit like that.
No, 3 most common words, and
I'm on
that's
time for
the
once.
path
That's good to
the,
hear.
To the new folder. And then for this one, Game of Blackjack, since there isn't already a folder for it, it's telling me to create a new folder and name it. So I'm just gonna name it Blackjack. Creates a folder. And then for the last one, there was already a folder for it as well. So it got moved into here. Hold on.
It's actually
There's
a
Blackjack,
it's actually a good program
there's Guest,
because
and then
it feels like he actually
there's your
tried
activity, and it does.
and he took what you
It's
could
not
do
foolproof
with
'cause half of these
transferring.
aren't even IT, because I could probably add more keywords to help fix that.
But yeah,
But then there's one last thing. To
it's a
show
lot
with this
more than
is
someone would do. I feel because
if
it's just
you
a
put
lot.
in a file that
harder to
isn't
do
a
stuff like
text,
this.
PDF, or a Word document, when you move it into the new folder,
Dude, be proud of your waifus.
it will
Yeah,
not be able to read
I
it, it'll
would
put
be,
it into
but
an
the
unreadable folder.
problem
So that
is
way you have
with
to sort
it.
it manually.
Is I've run that program. I want you to realize I have a
And that's pretty much
chance. I have a chance
Okay.
for opening
So was this?
for opening
Was
this.
there a template for this, or?
There's a chance
there was
of
a
me
template,
opening
quote,
this.
But even when I ran it the first time, it
So that's
didn't
why
work.
I'm not gonna run that program.
So about half the
Because
time
this
that I
looks
spent
very
running it was
bad
kinda just
to
doing,
a
like, the
normal
base
person.
code to actually work.
This does not look
And then
right.
after that, I could start
You
adding
know,
all of
so
the
I ain't gonna
functions and all
run
that,
the
all the
waifu
features to make
program
it actually
because
move
there's a
it with
chance of
specific
that
code instead of
happening
just
and me getting
same folder
reported by
every
my
time.
teacher
Okay.
to the university.
All right.
All right, thank you. Let's see. Let me find you.
Me and Kyle.
Hey, I
can
think
go next.
No!
Anthony said he wanted to go.
Yeah.
Kyle
that's
and
perfect.
Anthony. Okay.
I didn't even get a chance. I was just getting ready. I was just getting ready.
So,
It's not fair.
So what we did was make
It's
a
not fair.
alarm clock, and so starting off with the code, we first, if this text document wasn't in your files, then you created a text document, inserting a YouTube video. Then this is the function to check if the user entered
this
a
should run
valid, clock
twice.
time. Here's it asking for user input, and then check sending the time to checker. And then here we are converting the
Someone's
hour,
already
minute,
lined up, bro.
clock to hour, minute, second.
Someone's
so
already lined up.
then you could minus or find the difference, which is right here.
What's this program
the
about?
Time it takes
What's
to
this
go
fucking
to make
program?
The alarm go off, and then
It's an alarm. It's a fucking
with the
alarm.
text document, you can
Actually, I
also
sort of
put
want
more,
this. I want to make a funny
videos in,
alarm,
so,
but
it
that's
reads a
besides the
line and
point.
then you can, get a random video.
I'm all ready.
After that,
I'm ready to go.
We web scraped Google to find the temperature outside.
You were excited. Don't feel bad.
And what we were going to do after that is
11,
try to turn it
17.
into an integer, compare it to different integers,
Yeah.
and get a recommendation of what
My
to wear outside.
bad.
Here's running.
Do I just say eighth? Do I just say I will go
14
eighth?
seconds. That's not bad.
If eighth is
So at the end of
Open.
14 seconds, so YouTube video.
I will.
And since I've already run it, it's
What if eighth is the
already
last
running,
fucking thing?
Here's the opening.
Beep.
10 hours in
Beep.
That's it.
Time to wake
It's
up,
time to wake up.
people.
Here's the
It's time for
temperature.
class. I'm mentally unstable right now. I'm so worried. I'm unmuted and they're gonna hear me say that shit.
We used a couple different resources.
If eighth
that
is
we will,
open.
include with the submission. We could
Okay, yeah,
make
this
it
guy
a
has
little
not gone
bit
yet. I didn't see
with
this
some
profile
code
pic
that
talk.
Might be unnecessary, but for right now it works. So this is how.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. Actually, I'm just gonna wait to say it because I feel like I'm gonna wait after 6 go and then say in chat I'll go eighth. Okay. Infinite. Yo, how's it going, man? Send a message for the turn. I'll send a message. I know if it was me, I would literally dead inside if the mega pig showed up, dude. Honestly,
Python projects.
even though I'll
whole
never
list
see
of
these people
Python
again in my life,
projects.
I still just don't want it. I just don't want it to be there. You know? Look, it's Kyle. Kyle, look, it's you.
Yeah, so
But-
there was no code provided for us. We just created it based off of this idea right here.
Okay.
And that's about
So it was just an idea, not really a how-to.
Yeah.
basically, yeah.
Okay. If you had more time, what would you do differently?
I would.
Yo, how's it going,
Get some
man?
recommendations
Good
of what to
morning.
wear outside given this number, but I had some trouble.
Well, this is a
trying to
fast program.
create
You know?
some integers
Okay,
since
let me turn
is
this down.
Okay.
Okay, it's an alarm clock. The program runs an alarm clock, okay?
Maybe
Okay.
make a GUI,
Exactly.
yeah.
We would probably have to.
Okay,
subtract
so basically,
the value of the 39 and turn it into
these presentations are supposed to go on for 5 minutes. I want you guys to realize that.
statements or like,
Each presentation has been going on for like a minute or two.
to just see how it would work.
I'll see you at the end of the stream. I remember your profile pic for some reason. I think that's why.
Okay, we got Ben.
Okay,
Hello. Give me 1 second.
all good. But Luke is.
You guys can see this, correct?
Luke is. I thought Luke was
So
next.
originally I was going to be doing a Discord bot for the video game RuneScape.
I'm just gonna wait for Jacob. 'Cause I know him.
Unfortunately, for whatever reason, last
Wait.
night when I went to check on it, it was not functioning correctly, and
He made a
I-
RuneScape. Something with
little nervous, but we threw
RuneScape.
this together. This is a program that does essentially the same things that the Discord bot itself was going to do. It allows
Oh,
for
yeah,
a
Discord
wiki
bot.
search, which just is like the database for
Fuck!
all the
Fuck!
items that RuneScape has as a video game. It'll give you a link for the boss calendar. You can search the RuneScape high scores. It'll allow you to go to the skill calculators to help plan out your skilling.
Discord people with Discord bots stealing my
We'll go ahead
idea.
and do the wiki
Okay.
search.
I'm gonna prove
go
right now
for,
that they stole my idea.
just
Okay.
dragging.
I want you guys to realize
It'll pop
that
open
I went in
your
here
web browser,
10/27,
with the
like
RuneScape wiki, and
3
you can
weeks before the
see all of
project's
these,
proposal, and I said my project's going to be a
options that you
Discord
could
bot.
possibly get.
LOL.
If you
And
wanna
then
do a little
everyone else,
more
I swear to
specific
God,
and
saw
do
this,
something
didn't
like
say
Blue
shit,
Dragon,
and they're now
it'll
making
pull up
Discord
the
bots. I don't believe it for a
article
fucking
that
second.
specific
I don't believe it for a
instead of
fucking
just
second that they
all
thought of that
list,
on their own.
This
No,
has all the information
I don't.
already on it for that one for the boss calendar, this will open up to
It seems like the
a
normal Destiny bot.
Google not a calculator, a
Okay.
Google calendar with all of the different boss rotations for the video
Who
game.
plays RuneScape this much to make a bot for
If we
it?
did the RuneScape high scores, you actually get 3 different options. You
Honestly,
can
so many anime
do the
projects
top
literally at the
rated
end of
players,
me
which will take you to
in
the,
my conservative country. It honestly
RuneScape,
is. The fact that I'm gonna say,
leaderboard
oh
right
well, when
here.
fucking
As you can see, it
in this
gives
is
you
gonna
the
be,
top
it's
25
nuts to
players.
me. I love anime, but I can't draw at all,
If
so I
you
want to be a.
just look up a single person.
Is
you
that
could do it that way as well.
VC a
Or you
voice
can
creator or
compare
something like that?
2 different players. So, for instance,
That sounds dope, bruh. Lol.
this is me and my friend, and it'll load up the compare option through this website.
Did I ever send streaks? I don't know if I
if
ever
it
sent
loads.
streaks. I hope I did on
And as you
Snapchat.
can see, it'll compare the 2 different.
But what's
accounts.
nuts? This man rewrote his program to be a normal program.
The
It
last
was a
thing
Discord
is the
bot.
skill calculator.
I wouldn't
You
have
get
done
an
that.
option between the
Pooping?
RuneScape wiki
Oh,
calculator and the
nice.
Q calculator.
Let's
You'll
go!
type in your option, and then it'll pull up
I'm
the
so worried. I'm
calculator,
gonna
and you
unmute.
can go through and select the calculator that you need.
This is only just
And then
redact.
5 is just exit program.
What I'm hearing is all just redirects you.
If I had
But
more
I
time,
do.
I definitely would have had this as a.
We're stealing code, boys. We're
its own
stealing
GUI,
code.
just
I
because
like the
think it
fact
would've been
that
cool
I
to
don't know
try
the
and
codes
get a,
for
overlay
web
for
browser,
the
so I'm
RuneScape
gonna
client
steal that.
itself.
So, cause I'm gonna keep uploading this bot
but
after the
with-
projects.
with just
I'm gonna
trying
make it
to
more
get
anime.
something with a Discord bot breaking and getting something to show
But
exactly
I
what
want-
it was going to
I
do
want to
inside
make
the
it
Discord browser.
Safe.
I think I did okay.
Yeah. Okay, well, I have to say I was a little worried when you emailed me like yesterday.
Oh, trust me, I was stressed. I was like, this is going to either go really well or really, really badly.
Okay, so it looks like you pulled something out of the hat. Okay, so just make sure you
guys see this
write
kid?
everything up really good in your summary. So,
Will do. Thank you.
okay, I think we got Pedro next. Before we do, let's go ahead and take the attendance.
Let's take attendance, boys. Everyone chat. Are you guys present and functional? I hope you guys are. I'm not mentally.
I'm not seeing an attendance bar pop up.
Look at the bottom of your screen. See-
The code for the game-ish theme by Ben Johnson kind of looks so tough. Ben Johnson, what do you mean?
Yeah, it's still not there. Can I
Okay.
just type in chat?
Yep.
Oh, I probably should. I'll just tag everybody. The
Sorry,
reason
you
why I
said
didn't use
the,
Ring Stream today, boys. Okay,
write-up
hold
for
on.
This project is due tonight or tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Okay.
Yep, you got till midnight tomorrow night.
Alrighty.
That's not. That's a complete lie. That's a complete lie. I want everyone to realize it's a
Well,
complete lie. It's due tonight.
So I will work on getting things graded, starting on the weekend, and so my goal,
Sorry,
probably
I'm just tagging
early
everyone in the
next-
Discord.
Well, for you guys, it'll be. you
YouTube
guys
is a
will be
million
late to
billion
final exams.
company, and
Once
the
once
biggest
I
video.
have everything graded, so So when I think I've got everything graded, got all the late work caught up, I will send you guys an email and telling you that everything is graded. At that point, you'll have at least 24 hours. Within the next 24 hours, you need to check your grades, make sure I haven't missed anything. Let me know if there are any errors. If after 24 hours or so I haven't heard anything, then I will submit the grades as official. So I like to give everybody a chance to review and make sure that they are that there aren't any mistakes. You guys are going to
I didn't do this program. Do you think I'm gonna fail this class? Like, maybe should I actually do this program? I didn't do this PDF program. This was a pain in the ass. I never did it.
Okay, we're ready for, is it Lucas?
Whatever.
Pedro.
Yeah, it was me.
Pedro, okay.
Okay. Sorry, boys. I got really distracted by the teacher talking. You know how it is sometimes? The biggest video and streaming platform, but they still can't fix a notification system. My bad. Hey, damn, he is streaming during school hours. I really am. What the fuck?
I took
music pause. Hold on. Pause, everybody.
Bit of information basically just to draw the map. So,
dude, you can make this so much more efficient.
The website dissected it, kind of saw what it is. Basically, you set your width and height for the
Scroll
map.
down. Let me see that giant fucking if statement.
Values. I added these myself for chests.
Bro, copy pasted if statements. You don't know what a fucking loop was. God damn.
Change the location for it. I kind of just took.
Yes, indeed, for real. He's gonna make it a habit. Yes, you should. People want anime girls to be real so bad, but the gooba that's from Mario, yes, you're gonna fail, dude. Goddamn.
You know, you go right one, left one, up one, down one.
Bro.
And then this part
and not Discord bot. He actually did.
Setting
at least he did it. Actually, did a project.
Recognizes you made it to the end.
Hey, look. This is not. If you're ever coding, don't do this. This is the most inefficient way to code. I swear to God, it is. There's a better way to do that. I know there is. I'm not crazy.
Oh, it'll recognize you're in front of it. And originally it was randomly generated, but I customized it and actually put all this stuff myself. So let me just run it through real quick. So the way it works now, the map will actually just kind of keep draw itself. This at sign is you. These little dollar signs are the chests. It'll just ask you first of all which way you want to go.
Hold on, let me just tweet this out. Then we can go back to reading chat. What the fuck? Okay, let me explain why I didn't restream. I didn't stream on
you found a treasure chest. Would you like to open it? If you put
oh, this is a text-based game.
You didn't want to.
That's cool that you added a text. Okay, I respect this program a lot more now.
Yes. Direction.
Okay, this, by the way. Okay, so the reason why I didn't restream is this. The contents I sub for makes sense. Is pretty much, basically, it would have said right here, presenting projects live. You know? So that's why I didn't use my thing. That's why I didn't restream today. Why didn't you switch statements? That's also true.
Have you keep going through over and over again. And it was a lot tougher than I thought, so this is kind of as far as I got for now.
It's not that hard. Let me tell you this much. It's not that hard. This it's a text-based game. I forget what it's actually called though. I think it's maybe just called text-based game. But it's more of just it's just very fucking tedious, bro. It's so tedious. Sup, dumbass. Sup, dumbass. I could do it too. It's a two-way street, dumbass. My room is freaking freezing. Send help. Well, go get a blanket. Solve all your problems. The only problem with me trying to be a VA voice actor, I'm having a deep freaking voice. Like people think I'm 17 voice, but I'm 13. Hey, that's good though. That's not a bad thing. Okay, I'm 18. I still have a freaky high-pitched voice. I kind of sad. Hey, look at me. Oof. Hey, some people have different vocal ranges. I'm 14. I have a regular voice. I don't flatter yourself. I'm just kidding. I can't get a blanket because it's downstairs and I'm in class. Oh no! No! Yo, Eva, how you doing today? I'm very tired. Lucas. Who the fuck is Lucas?
I'm gonna share my screen. So.
Oh. We were excited. All good here. Present. Okay.
So, can you guys see that?
Yes.
I just made a home security system.
I'll just at once Jacob goes, I'll go next.
There's 2 versions. One is like a sensor.
Stop!
That gets set off if
Sashi is a simp. Simp alert, that was a good one though. Can I be your blanket? Ooh.
So it's a button. I got 2.
Me a doorbell.
I just have to put a hash in front of it if I want to use one of them. So it's gonna take a picture.
Oh, this is that real thing.
Sets it off.
Oh, this is actually cool. This uses their actual doorbell thing. How are these gonna present it though?
Because this was before like week 14, before we learned how to do emails and stuff. So I didn't know how to do SMTP and stuff. I ended up using like a mime module.
This guy's really loud. It's annoying me. It's hard to focus and talk. Oh, yo, Eva, how you? But yeah, hey, Sin of Games. I saw your Happy Holidays message, but I was lazy and I ignored it, and I'm sorry for that. Happy late holidays or happy Thanksgiving means happy holidays now. But yeah, if for people that missed the start of the stream, I went to sleep at 6 a.m. It's currently 11 a.m. I woke up at 10:30 in the morning. I have like 4 hours of sleep in me, and I'm tired. I'm really tired.
TV right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. I don't know, but I go down here.
I didn't call him annoying. I'm saying he's really loud, so he's annoying. Zoom class details to join, my lord.
And then it's gonna send me an image.
Stop! Stop the alarm! Stop the alarm!
And if I do the doorbell.
You guys want to hear it? You guys can hear the doorbell. Oh, there's no alarm. Why don't I hear a doorbell?
It's gonna wait for the button to be pressed.
Press the button.
Press the button. It's gonna take a picture.
Press the button.
And it's gonna set off the alarm again. And then it won't.
Stop it!
Until the button.
0 out of 10. Horrible program.
So,
my ears.
That was pretty cool. And then
my ears death out of 10.
Send me a picture.
I was thinking of shut up my camera. It's a teddy bear!
Is that Bear the Intruder?
Yeah, that was my son. He taped it up to the chair. He said he was acting crazy. And then
that's my son.
Picture from the doorbell, and that's my presentation.
Is this college or uni? It's the same thing in America, by the way. Uni and college are the same thing.
So what was your
Well, lollies are scary. They're adults culture, but either way, Moshi FBI. Moshi. Oh, I said I'm apologize for that. I apologize. That sounded really bad. Moshi. That's better, but that was still bad. I apologize. Actually, cool program. Yeah.
So I made an alarm system, and then I made.
This is actually a good program.
A doorbell too, because I thought that would work better.
This reminds me when you microwave stuff at night and they forget to stop the beeping noise. So why couldn't you do something like this? Stop! Stop! I tried. I really did try.
Alrighty then.
Not really, but I tried. I tried to the point of.
Okay. And.
What's your program? I guess you'll see.
Okay, so we got Jacob.
Jacob. We'll go next, boys.
Can you guys see that fine?
Yes.
Okay, I had to shrink my.
I'll go after Jacob.
So for my project,
is that French?
That would actually be really useful to me.
Okay, let's. Okay, I'm gonna read chat, but I want to hear what this guy's project is. So let's hear what the project is, and then we'll read
There's
chat.
been a problem where people have been using bots to buy these computer parts, and then once
Yes.
they go out of stock, in like
Yes,
10
they are.
seconds, they sell them on eBay or wherever for like an absurd upcharge. So I've been trying to buy this processor, which is a computer part, for like a month now. But
This
they
is
go out of
actually
stock, like,
a
instantly.
cool
So I tried
project.
to make a bot that would notify me when they do go in stock,
Hold on.
just to kind of give me an edge. So here is a popular computer.
Oh, never mind.
component
Never
website called
mind.
Newegg. You guys are familiar with
I
it?
thought he was. I
And
thought he
one of the
made a
things
bot
Newegg
that
implemented
bought the
to
program. That bought
try
it for
getting
him.
rid of these
But
bots
it's not. That's
is
not
when
it.
they
Oh,
sell the
I fuck
part,
off. You got
they
me
have
excited for
them
nothing.
in combos. So
Okay, music turn
what I
up.
was actually after is this Ryzen processor, but normally those retail for $550. But
By the way, Levi.
rid of the bots, have to buy it with something that's, like, bundled with, which is annoying for the consumer.
No understando española.
I targeted with
Hello, super scary. I think his program's about a Discord anime bot, I guess. His program is a meat cutter. At least that's what I saw in the previous live, bro. I had the best idea ever. So you know how DMSA is a big problem, and some should have code, something that we can sync up your Spotify with, something to be like they're streaming with music. So it'd be like they are streaming with music. A meat cutter kinda scared me, lol. Are those PC parts? I think it's pretty tough. They're awesome. They're pretty well. I mean, DMSA have banned something else. UK, bro, don't act like your program's better. It's based on anime. That's why it's better. Yep, Ryzen. Bro, I want you to realize that I can go. I lost it. I want you to realize that my program can fucking do this. My program. Okay, I don't even care. We're gonna do it in fucking general. I could go like this, and a waifu will. See, that's what I'm. That's why I'm not running this program in pub. This is why I'm not running this program in class. I'm not running the waifu program because this is what's gonna pop up. I swear to God, out of all of them, it's a random choice. And that's the fucking program that it will pick that one. It will pick this one out of all of them somehow, and I'm gonna report it to my fucking classroom. That's why I ain't presenting the waifu program, not the waifu exactly one.
savvy stuff. I thought this would be a little easier for them to do. So the processor
Illegal, do it because that's a 13-year-old. No, that is it actually a 13-year-old? Like, I'm being dead ass. Is that like? Is she actually 13 in the anime? I'm being dead ass. I don't know. So I thought she was older. I just thought she was older because she left. I'm 14. Yes, Megumin's 14. Ah.
Once you type that in,
Damn, how the hell did they pick a randomized option exactly pick Megumin? That's what I'm saying. It's against me. It's somehow rigged. It's the program that I code's rigged against me somehow.
there's 13 on the page. So it doesn't really need to do this. but
FBI open up.
For like debugging sake to make sure it was working, but I have to print out each of the items and then what the list is, stock status of it. So for this, it's a little hard to show it working because these things don't stop like every few days or so. So this will pretty much keep doing this until something actually goes in stock. But I modified the program a little bit.
Seabass. Did you? Seabass knows I'm streaming right now, and he purposely did this. He purposely did this. He purposely did this. I swear to God, he purposely did this. I don't trust him at all.
It pretends that it's in stock.
His bots really had to name his VTuber galore. I can't get rid of that. Okay. Bonds of lolly neat. It calm down. It don't make it legal because you're a teen too. I am a teen technically. I'm just saying that I'm 19, so technically I'm a teenager. Chill, boys. Newegg stock. This is actually probably a cool program. Become a VTuber, chill, boys. I just realized if I go like, I have fucking Faces and Overwatch both open.
So what I had
You can see my W.
Obviously, it's not in stock right now, so it's gonna tell you that you can't check out with the item.
Okay.
But
Let's make sure everything's like ready for what I need. I need my CMD.
So It
Okay.
just pulled one of the combos off the page. So how I
Okay.
got that working was I just used a basic import.
I'm so nervous, but not at the same exact time. I'm more nervous that I'm live streaming this, to be honest with you.
And then I had it open up the link, which the way I was doing it, I was trying to automate it with Selenium to actually add it to the cart and such, but that ended up being way more complicated than this because I was able to kind of look at the URL and the item codes and get
I want a fucking lolly voice. Oh my god. As you don't have to be a girl to be a VTuber. I want to be a cute lolly voice. That's just a myth for now. And you can have a male avatar. It just costs a lot of money. I actually was thinking about it. And so when I do some certain type of things I want it to be really chill, I will have it. But I haven't done it yet. I'm just saying, I watched Hollow Life before it was cool. Before it was cool, I watched Hollow Life. I want you to realize, guys, that I went on stream. I was like, hey, what do you guys think about VTubers? You know, I'm just wondering, what do you guys think of a VTuber? And you guys went, that sucks. Oh, boy, here it goes.
That's all that's claimed. Is there anybody else that has not gone yet?
I still need to go.
Okay. Go right ahead.
Hold on, I'm just getting it so I can stream properly. Alright, so for my program, I made a Discord bot. And for those who know what Discord is, it's just a chatting service basically. And the Discord literally makes it able, so you're able to like they make it able for you to host Discord bots and stuff like that. And it makes it really nice. So you have a lot of different, just a whole dictionary of code that you could use. And you could go through it for syntax. So what my program is, I made tons of different just random small little projects that I could deal with and just learn different ways I could code through that. So for instance, I have two different like ways of running my bot currently because I ran into a problem of I wanted the bot to be running 24/7, and so to do that I figured out to have it hosted to a service. And while doing that, I've learned a lot about Git, or some stuff about Git, and it was just a cool learning process of doing it. And so now I have a whole thing of Git and running like certain programs to be able to do it. So now I have a whole other thing to run the program, and basically a test one, so I could test it a lot easier without it going live. However, I had tons of different small programs in my program to be able to run it. And so for instance, I had like a roll dice game that I made. I took that R and it rolls a dice and you roll against the bot, and so it's a tie. If I roll again, it rolls again. Oh, I lost because the bot. It's just tons of different small little things and small little projects I've worked with. So for instance, I tested it. I first made something where if like I type something, it responds back. So for instance, if I type OO, it responds back with OO. And then I thought, what else can I do with this type of thing? So I thought about doing it if I like with an image. So if someone says ISU, it will randomly select from a folder images, and so like for instance there's an image. If I type ISU again, it could be another image, and it ignores the file thing. So this is a GIF, so it doesn't matter what file it is. It's really nice. So that code will be right here, pictures.isu. Just do a path, and then the OS will randomly select it in the directory file. However, there's also tons of different other ones. So I have 8-ball in my code that I've ran, and it's just like you 8-ball, give a prompt, and it puts out one of these randomly. I've also have this was the roll dice function. I had tons of small little problems that I was working with, and one of them in here probably is in this code more. Yeah, so right here, this comment out code, I was working with something that clears messages, so like it stops spam. The problem with it that I was trying to fix is that anyone could run this program. So anyone that was in the Discord server would be able to like clear messages, and that's really bad. So I wanted to try to make it so like you had only administrators could use it, but I haven't figured that out yet, and that's still a program that I'm working on currently. But that's That's what I had problems with for the clear. And I've also with my friend, we've been working on trying to make a music player for the bot, and this one is very inefficient. Basically what it does, it takes in the YouTube link and then downloads the YouTube link to your file, and it'll save it in here as a MP3 player, and it'll rename it to song, and then it will play it. And then if you do another one, it'll download it again, remove song if there's already one in there, and rename it and then play it. But it takes it's a lagging spot where it has to download the video. So that's pretty much all I really have for my Discord bot. It's just tons of small little projects that I've used, and my biggest thing that I've done, I think, or the longest thing, was probably working on this music thing. We spent a couple hours trying to do that, and then also because I had downloaded tons of different just like random things to be able to make it work. Like for instance, when I was this online thing, because I don't have like the programs where it's like FMmpeg, it doesn't work with the online version. I have to use PyCharm to run it in order to have it. But that's what I'm still currently working on. I think that's the biggest like problems I've been having with the program. But it's been a good learning experience for just different things. I think the biggest thing that I found is that when I code in this, it feels like I'm coding in a different language because there's tons of syntax I'd never like seen before. So I would have to remind myself I could code in Python normally, and it'll still work in this format. But yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I fucked it. I fucked it. I was so nervous. I fucked it so bad. Holy sh.
Nobody else wants to.
I fucked that. I fucked it so much.
Alright, so I made a Discord bot also, not nearly as in-depth as what he did. Kind of making
Okay, it's not a contest.
So what the thing
I was so nervous. I was shaking. And why was I shaking?
A lot easier and like keeping logs of everything. So I have some basic commands on here. So
Copycat. Yeah. I look down upon the other Discord users.
Bot is ready, and then it appears online. So
Look up EvoBot on GitHub. It's pretty easy.
I'm gonna use this for example. I can do the bot. The syntax for it is the command to use to activate it, because right now it's just
You used to API?
The prefix.
He said, "Oh, one in the front of the class." Yeah, bro. I just went with it. I don't know if she realized about the waifu. Like, I just ignored this fact. And okay.
Ban the person.
I want everyone to realize that if I click on this image, this opens
So
up.
it has the test account with the numbers at the end. So the problem that I was having was unbanning that person through the bot, because you can't really.
I get nervous when you're streaming, bro. I don't know. I just started, then it slowed down. You know, like I was shaking, bro. I was shaking. I usually don't shake. I think because I was streaming at the same time, I was nervous of them finding out about like just things that I have on there.
That entire thing. What it does is unban from the server, so then
But I think it went fine. I think I kept repeating myself.
server. And
Why you got the image? It was a test image for the program.
Came up with
But I never deleted it.
default it's set to 5, but I can change it to whatever I want to.
Look.
And so it'll clear 100 messages plus 1, including the message that I just sent. The problem that I ran into, I haven't really looked into this, is there's no administration for like roles and stuff, so anybody can run these.
See, it was my test thing for that program. It was a test. It was a test one for waifu.
That's okay though.
My intention was just to get a really basic,
Right.
just the concept of getting it working.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we don't expect, I don't expect miracles here. I know that. I mean, we're just
I call bullshit
This was just
on
because
everyone with a
and
shittier
that
Discord
you
bot than me.
try doing
Everyone
something.
that has a shittier Discord bot than me is something's wrong.
it?
They procrastinated harder than me, and that's what I think.
Okay.
I started this bot on
Anybody
Monday.
else?
On Monday. I coded this on Monday.
Who's we missing?
We had a whole month for this project, boys. A whole month, and I started on Monday. I call bullshit.
And- Okay, no, he's not. Okay, I think that's everybody then.
I almost got forgotten about him, so.
Did I forget anybody? I think. Okay.
What is it even?
Okay,
I'm guessing something
so,
random. What is it? What is that
I
image
will
from?
be
My Discord. Oh, it's from
online for at least
Fate.
most of that time, the 8 to 12 next week.
I wonder if you could hear my music.
Be online, but I will be available in case you have questions or have any issues. I may have to leave a little bit early from that, but I'll try to be online for most of that time. And yeah, so if you're taking the exam and you have something comes up, jump into the office hours.
Wait, someone running my fucking music program?
Yeah, jump into the office hours and we'll and you can ask any questions that you have.
I'm confused how there's an air here. There shouldn't be an air here.
Thank you for all of your hard work this semester, and I will see.
Wait, why is there an...
Next semester.
Who the fuck ran my music bot?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next semester.
Bye.
Ah, we got the last words, boys! We got the last words! We're insane! Is that a fucking college or mascot? It's not a fucking anime, you furry. It's a fucking college, dog. It's my school mascot. Or this for this year. Now you put the image in. Okay, boys. What should we do? What do you guys want to fucking do now? Present in the Discord bot. Now what? Enemy bot posted, man, at a waifu. The bot has gone gay then. Bro, like, I want you guys to realize that before I went to sleep, I was like, okay, how am I gonna fucking present this? And then I was like, okay, let me do this again. I'm gonna present the bot to you guys. How I was going to present it. I didn't present it how I wanted to present it. I'm gonna present it how I rehearsed it in my mind. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, boys. Let's turn up the music a little bit. You guys can't hear it at all. I wonder if they can hear the music. I wish they could. Okay, I was about to come in and be like, hello everyone, my name is Michael Peterson, and today I made a Discord bot. I am sure many of you don't know what a Discord bot is, but those that don't know what a Discord bot is, it's a chatting service that you use for friends and other things like that. Therefore, I decided to make a Discord box. I use it on a daily basis. I use two different programs to run it because I wanted to be able to have it go online 24/7. And so PyCharm, this bot is usually used for more of debugging, so it's easier to run. However, I use this one to be able to run it 24/7. I use Git for this and to run it to this free hosting website called Heroku. I learned some new functions through Git that was very interesting. Oh, I'm not even on the right screen. Anyway, I learned some new functions on Git, such as Git add dot, which adds all the updated files to it. When there's nothing to add, then you do git commit -m, and you just tell what you want, so like update, and it'll update the code. It's already updated, and if there was something more, you would have done git push, but there's nothing to git push, so it wouldn't even really push it because it's already saved. I made tons of different functions in the program. There are smaller little stuff. That pretty much how I did from there. It's pretty much it's the same thing. That's pretty much it. I just didn't come in how I wanted to. You know what I mean? See ya, boys. Failure be axed. Oh no. Yo, HT God. I'm just saying I lost 7 viewers when I started my project. That hurts. Just kidding. I really don't care. Show us more of the bot. You really want? What do you want to see of the bot? So the bot only could do certain things. So the bot could do OO, Uwu. Oh, I forgot I could do Nani. I've done Nani. I forgot about Nani. Nani would have been a good one. I would have said Nani in front of the class. I swear to God, I would have. I forgot about it. I was too nervous. Oh, that's cool. That is very cool, isn't it? There's like no pictures, Seabass. What the fuck? But it's really just simple program. You guys wanna play Osu? I'm totally down to play Osu right now. Really, like, that's the only good command my program does. I'm being dead honest. If it wasn't like me getting kicked out of my college, I would have presented the fact that if I type waifu, it shows a waifu. I'm telling you. Okay. So if we're gonna play Osu, I'm gonna end stream and I'm gonna start it back up. Okay. Deal, boys. Deal. Deal, 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 question mark, deal, deal. If you wanted to play Osu, I'm gonna end stream real quick because I want to save this VOD without I don't want the copyright. I want this to be able to go on YouTube. Okay, I'll be right back. See you guys in a moment.